Hi, my name's Mark. I work for ICS Steering, established around 30 to 35 years. We do a range of steering boxes from Series 1, 2, 3, up to current, Defender, Discovery. We also do differentials for the same vehicles. Series 1, 2, 3, Defender, Range Rover, Range Rover Sport, Discovery 3, Discovery 4, and a range of turbos, mainly for Defender and Discoveries. We also do steering boxes for classic cars, Alfa Romeo, Jaguar, Mercedes. A lot of steering boxes for different makes, 4x4, Nissan, Toyota, Suzuki. A lot of customers worldwide and national, big companies, small companies, and the one-offs.
The units come into the shop, they're sorted out into which types of steering boxes they are, left hands, right hands, QFs. They're then taken over to the strip area where the oil is drained out of them. They're each assigned a number. Boxes then stripped down from, take the pipe off, the transfer pipe. The top plate will then come off, the ram plate will come off, the shaft will be pulled out, then the pinion will be pulled out, as well as the shims and the carriers. All seals will be removed. They'll then go over to the wash, and will be washed down to get rid of all the oil and the grease and the grit. The cases will then go into the wet blaster. It will then all go over to the inspection area where all the parts will be inspected to make sure that everything's okay to be rebuilt. New bearings will be inserted into the cases, ready for build. All the parts will then go over to the build area where it will be, the pinion will be put in place with the shims and clocked up to make sure it's got the correct setting. Then the shaft will go in place and the top plate, and it'll all be measured and balanced to make sure that everything's in order. Once it's all set up and everything's balanced, the seals will be placed back in and clocked once again to make sure that everything's in balance. It'll then go over to the test area, put on the test rig, where it will be pressure tested to make sure there's no leaks from any of the seal areas. It will be tested to see if it will return to centre. Once it's finished on the test, it will be drained, it will be plugged up, the splines on the shafts will be run through to make sure everything's clear. It will go into the spray booth and give a coat of black protective paint. It will then go over to the finishing off area where new plugs will be put in it, identification tags, warning stickers. It will then be placed into a cardboard box, fastened up and shipped out the door.